Hey guys, it's me Athena, and this is my Zotrim review. Okay my friends, in this video I'm reviewing Zotrim, a weight loss aid that I've been taking for 4 weeks now. I'll cover some information about the product and also be describing my experience using it. If at any point of watching this review you decide you'd like to try Zotrim for yourself, I have a really nice hookup for you guys. If you get it through the link below this video, you'll save yourself some money, so definitely take advantage of that. So a little bit about the product. Zotrim is designed to suppress your appetite, and what really made me want to try it is the fact that Zotrim has been in over 10 expert-approved papers in scientific journals outlining its effectiveness. Now, the two main ingredients in Zotrim are guarana extract and damiana. Both of these ingredients have really good research behind them showing that they help with weight loss. Now, in damiana, not only does it help with weight loss, but it's also an aphrodisiac and has been shown to increase libido. So that's a nice little combination of benefits right there. So you're supposed to take 2 to 3 tablets with a full glass of water just a few minutes before your meals. Just don't take more than 9 pills in a day. Now, because I'm sensitive to caffeine, I chose to only take 2 tablets each time. And I did see positive results. But before I get to that, let me give you a little bit of a warning. I had it rough my first 2 days taking Zotrim because Zotrim contains caffeine, and I usually eat dinner really late in the evening, so taking it with my late dinner messed with my sleep. So what I suggest to anyone that is sensitive to caffeine is only take 2 pills, not 3, and also have dinner earlier, which is ultimately healthier for you guys anyway. Now, taking Zotrim definitely lowered my appetite, and I did eat less, and I noticed that right away. Now, what surprised me was that not once during my whole time of taking Zotrim did I feel low energy or tired, which is something that I have experienced in the past when I've tried to reduce my calorie intake all by myself. Now, I want to keep it real with you guys. I didn't lose as much weight in the last 4 weeks as I could have. I lost about 8 pounds, which is decent, but I wasn't eating quality food. And I also snacked a lot when I really shouldn't have been. I'm still working on my own personal discipline, and I'm trying to break the habits of snacking when I'm stressed, which is usually caused by busy weeks at work. And the last 2 weeks, unfortunately, were very busy weeks for me. However, regardless of my own lack of discipline, I absolutely did have less of an appetite, and I was able to feel full with less food during my meals. That's for sure. And 8 pounds in 4 weeks isn't too shabby. But if I'm completely honest, I know that I could have lost more. What I can absolutely say for sure is this. I know that Zotrim works. And if I hadn't been snacking, and if my meals were even just a little healthier, I know that I could have probably lost a good 15 pounds. And if I added exercise to the equation, maybe even more. And who knows, maybe what I'll do at a later time is post an update review of Zotrim. And this time I'll get my butt in gear and eat well and throw away those snacks in the garbage. Zotrim definitely does what it claims to do, but it's not a miracle pill either. To get the best results of using it, you definitely want to eat mindfully and don't stress eat like I did. And remember, if you want to try Zotrim for yourself, getting it through the link below will save you some money. And if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. I would love to answer them. So that's it for this one, my friends. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.